This is the fast 100 megabit per second Ethernet PICtail Plus daughter board, providing 10 and 100 megabit per second Ethernet connectivity for evaluation of the ENC424J600 and the ENC624J600 Ethernet controllers. The board has both PICtail headers and PICtail Plus side edge connectors designed to be plugged into the Explorer 16, PIC32 I/O expansion board with a PIC32 starter kit, PICdem.net 2, or PIC18 Explorer development board. A 64-pin ENC624J600 Ethernet controller is populated to allow evaluation of the SPI and all parallel interface modes. The daughter board is natively supported by the free Microchip TCP/IP stack on PIC18, PIC24, DSPIC, and PIC32 platforms. A 5-foot RJ45 straight-through patch cable and data encryption library CD is included in the box as well. The ENC624J600 Ethernet interface controller on the PICtail board can support 10 and 100 megabit per second Ethernet, combining both the physical interface and media access controller into one package. It can connect to any microcontroller via SPI or parallel interface. Additionally, each device has a unique factory pre-programmed MAC address, hardware cryptographic security engine, which helps accelerate protocols like SSL, and 24 kilobytes of RAM for packet transmit, receive buffering, and data storage. This combination of speed, flexibility, and features enable designers to create fast, secure network, and internet-connected embedded applications with minimized board space, cost, and complexity. To evaluate the PICtail board, Microchip offers a free TCP/IP stack which can be downloaded from www.microchip.com/TCP/IP. Once installed, there is a help file which can be accessed through the Windows Start menu. It contains information on how to get started with the evaluation. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will be using an Explorer 16 development board with a PIC24FJ128GA010 PIM. To set up, insert the PICtail into the Explorer 16. Notice that I'm using the SPI edge connection. Then apply power to the board. Next, we need to program the PIC with a pre-compiled demo hex file. In MPLAB, select Configure, select Device, and the PIC24FJ128GA010. Click OK. Next, select File, Import, then browse to the project folder where you install the TCP/IP stack. Select a hex file for your hardware. Click Open. Next, select a programmer. I have a Real Ice. Then program the PIC. Now the board should be running. You should see the words TCP/IP stack on the LCD display, with one of the LEDs blinking. Next, connect the Ethernet cable to the PICtail board. In my setup, I have a network router between my PC and the demo board. Notice that once the cable is plugged, the LCD is updated with a new IP address assigned by the network router. In this case, it is 192.168.0.3. The demo is a HTTP server. I can now connect to the board using a web browser. Initially, there's no web page loaded. To upload, type the following URL: http:// followed by the IP address you see on the LCD display, /mpfs upload. Once the page is loaded, click Browse, then browse to the project folder and select the Mbps img2.bin file. Click Open, then click Upload. Wait for the upload to complete. When completed, click on the link Site Main Page. The following web page should show up. The demo shows a simple monitor and control application. We can monitor the buttons and potentiometer. When I click on the buttons, the web page is also updated. To control the board, I can turn on and off LEDs. This demonstration has only shown a small portion of the full demo, which is capable of sending email, dealing with dynamic DNS, SNMP, SSL, HTTP authentication, and much more. The fast 100 megabit per second Ethernet PICtail daughter board can be ordered through one of Microchip's distribution partners.